Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Google account you'll use for Drive. This ties Colab to your storage. Once signed in, open Drive and pick or create a folder where notebooks will live, because organization avoids clutter later. Make sure third-party cookies are enabled if you use strict privacy settings, since Colab uses authentication redirects. Now that your account and folder are ready, move to creating or opening a Colab file directly from Drive to keep files synced. Once your folder is selected, right-click and choose New then More. If Collaboratory isn't listed, connect the app through Connect More Apps. This installs the Drive integration. After it appears, use New More Google Collaboratory to create a notebook that is saved directly into your chosen folder, keeping autosave working. Alternatively, you can double-click any existing IPN file in Drive to open it in Colab's web editor. This route preserves metadata and file history, which is useful for collaboration. To finish, open Runtime, then change runtime type to select GPU, TPU, or a specific Python version so your environment matches project needs. Make a habit of using File Save a copy in Drive before major changes when collaborating, since that creates a stable checkpoint. If Colab won't open, sign out and back into Google, clear browser cache, or reconnect the Colab app in Drive. These steps resolve most auth and loading issues quickly, so you can return to running cells without losing progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.